Hi, this is Cindy Warmington coming to you after yesterday's Executive Council meeting. It was a long day. We had the Executive Council meeting in the morning, and that was followed by 2 judicial hearings. Yesterday's council meeting, a lot of the things, that most important things, were not really contracts on the agenda. We talked about mental health. The Department of Health and Human Services did a presentation on the status of mental health, and particularly on the ER boarding issue. We have so many people who have been boarded in emergency rooms awaiting mental health care. So that issue was discussed, and it really, we have a lot of work to do in that area. In New Hampshire, we don't have enough of the services that will help prevent people from getting into the hospital and allow for their early discharge out of a hospital. So we have a lot of work to do in that area, and we'll keep you apprised on that. We move on. We talked about student vaccines. The governor has stated his position that he is not offering the vaccine to students who come from out of state but live here in New Hampshire while they go to college. This makes no sense from a public health perspective. It's not good for our students who need to be vaccinated. It's not good for our faculty and staff at our universities who are interacting with those students. It's not good for the residents in the community. It's not good for anyone, and it's not based in public health. The governor did say that hopefully in 3 to 5 weeks, after everyone in New Hampshire has been offered the opportunity to be vaccinated, they may open this up, but we hope that it'll do it sooner, and we hope that it'll do the right thing for the people of New Hampshire and for our students. And then we talked about the Veterans Home a few weeks ago at an earlier meeting. I asked about the outbreak and if a review was being done to determine why the outbreak was so widespread in our facility and what could be done to prevent that from happening again in the future. I heard yesterday from the Commandant that the review is still underway, and we will await that and report back to you when we get it. And finally, we had the Pat Conway nomination yesterday. Pat Conway is nominated to serve as a justice on our Superior Court, and she currently serves as the Rockingham County Attorney. This nomination, she brings to it a lot of experience. There were a lot of people there that testified in her favor yesterday. Interestingly, the New Hampshire Bar has issued a letter stating that they found her qualified, but with reservations. Reservations both about her experience other than criminal and her impartiality and fairness. This is a real concern. We're going to be listening to all voices, and the vote will be in 2 weeks. I'll touch base with you after the next Executive Council meeting. Good to talk to you. Have a great day.